I bet you this is so yummy. See this balanced diet, try it. This sauce can go with anything. Multi-purpose sauce, guys. I think I should change my YouTube name to Joel Intercontinental Dishes because I cook everything. I'm not going to be using all this oil. I'm just going to take little quantity of it. Chicken cube, minced vegetable, pepper, 2 pepper, mackerel fish. This is also called Titus fish, onions and tomatoes. These are the ingredients I'm going to be using for my vegetable fish sauce. Now I want to start. I'll change my mind to use just 2 tomatoes. I don't want the tomatoes to be too much. So I'm going to be using 2 tomatoes. I'm not going to use that again. So my tomatoes cut. Finish cutting my tomatoes. I've cut my onions off camera before. Then let me cut my pepper. This is just the ingredients I like to use, but you can also use as much ingredient or different ingredients. You can add spinach to yours. And you use what you like to use, the ingredients you are used to, use it. Start frying my vegetables and tomato. My fish is here cooking. And use part of the onions to steam the fish while I will use the remaining one to fry the ingredients. Now let's go. Don't need so much oil. I'll fry my tomatoes first before adding the vegetables, because I don't want the vegetables to be overcooked. Next is frozen vegetable, minced vegetable. So I don't want it to be overcooked, so I'm going to be frying it last. This is the vegetable. The heat has been off since. So I'm just leaving it so that So my fish has finished cooking. See? And what I have here is yam. I'm going to be boiling yam. This is what I'm going to be using for the sauce. But you can use anything you choose to for the sauce. You can use pasta, you can use macaroni, you can use rice, you can use boiled plantain, you can use grilled plantain, you can use fried plantain, you can use fried yam, you can use fries to eat the sauce. Okay, you can use it's a multi-purpose sauce, guys. This is a multi-purpose sauce. You can use it for basically everything. Now I want to debone the fish. Finish deboning it. After deboning, this is what I have. No bone. I later use my curry to season the fish. I added curry to the when I was seasoning the fish. Just a little. I want to start frying. Add the fish to the vegetable. This one is already fried a little bit. Then the fish is cooked, so it's not going to take any time. So first of all, I'll turn off the stove. Then just add the fish to it. Fry it together. Stir it together, stir everything together thoroughly. It's a simple ingredient, simple, quick and easy to cook. See guys, I bet you this is so yummy, even when I've not tasted it, but I'm very sure. So see this balanced diet, try it. This sauce can go with anything. You can go with rice, you can go with pasta, it can go with macaroni, it can go with bread, it can go with yam, boiled yam, fried yam, fries. It can go with boiled potato. It can go with fried plantain, boiled plantain. You see, it's a multi-purpose. This is just a multi-purpose sauce, guys. think I should change my YouTube name to Joel Intercontinental Dishes because I cook everything.